would now
Hadu kumba arspa prapangut ki samla pule ki bala pas baha bat ki bon hakmat hagi kerdan pule baper layo ban penku burom daga penthor umkra Assembly Youth Congress Committee ya ke bala penlong halum siap shalong ha ketika sengi jong ke jing penku burom uma Vincent H Pala bdeu MP jong ke Lok Sabha olawan poi kumu kongsan ha ka jing senran lang jong ba PNC mu bdeu MDC ke Kongres Maukar Penthor Constituency bat kiwe kiri pokmat kathain ka ne gejing penkuburom jong ke Kongres Youth Penthor Umkra Constituency kalong kum shibenta banang ai mensim shushu ye kisamla pule jong kathan ban yai ne hadu bakut bat banang trish tom shushu haki kerdan pule ki bakham shakmat ong uba Vincent Pala haba jingkran hagane kesingi uba pala kum kongsan haba jingkran ulong bagi samla pule ki dipendon ye kathong ban kiu seki kerdan ki bakham shajrong bat kham shalor namar ke jala kadon kam ye kisamla nak benta ke jingbit jingbiang jong ke jala parok away
awarded at the different levels for different subjects. I know today is a special day for all the awardees and also the parents. It's a difficult task to be at this level. Many of you must have lost lots of your sleeps. And at the same time, the parents also must have worked very hard, spending energy, resources and everything to make children up to this level. Being a father, I could also experience the same. When we see our children are getting an awards, sometimes tears come from our eyes. So congratulations to the awardees and to the parents as well. I also would like to appreciates the organizer, Meghalaya Youth Congress, for organizing this program. I'm proud to see that the Youth Congress of today are very active, rather they are more active than the parents at PCC it seems. Be in press conference, be in terms of research, we have all quality, educated and hard work and dedicated workers in the Youth Congress as of today. I also would like to say that most of those people who didn't get the award, they also become, God has given us a different talents for each and everyone. We have different capacities and different levels and different luck also sometimes. So sometimes people who can stand here in the front, we never got an award, but sometimes we stand here in the front also to give an award to the awardees also. So I request those students or friends who didn't get an award, so they should not lose hopes. Please keep on trying. One day your turn will come. If you look at the history of the richest people in the world, be it Jack Ma, be Steve Jobs, they may not have done well in their career, but they have been very hard work, dedicated and honest that make them success. So along with the talent which God gifted to each and every one of us, hard work, dedications and honesty give us better and also give us an opportunity to get what we are supposed to get. So therefore, I request all those who have got the awards, please give it up, work harder, score harder. We are living in the world of competitions. We are living in the world of technology. We are living in the world of full of challenges in our life. Until and unless